Hey guys, welcome to my next series for teaching CSS. Now, what is CSS? Well, it stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Now, this is what's going to make your website look beautiful. This is what's going to be the design of the website. The colors, everything. Makes a boring text Word document into something great. Now, let's go into this folder here. Now, I've already pre-created all the HTML documents. Now, if I open my index, this is what it looks like. Blank, simple. Easy, yeah. Now, this is the document what I've already created, ready for the videos. Now, I'm not gonna start writing loads of HTML because these episodes is not for teaching HTML. It's for teaching CSS. If you want HTML tutorials, then go to my videos for HTML tutorials. Now, if I'm gonna say that you've already got your script, your HTML document, what you're gonna modify, so let's just go straight to the new file, and I want you to save it straight away. So, and I want you to save as, style.css. And just save that into the same folder as your index HTML folder. Now, if we go into here, like, imagine we want to change the entire background of the website. Now, here's a body tag. The body tag holds everything within the website, all the content. So that's what you would use to change the background of the entire website. So, click the tag, you can target the tag on its own. So, by doing that, you can just type body. Use curly brackets, like so. And then in the curly brackets, you can type background dash color. And then we could go black. Now, if we save that, we go into here and refresh. Oh, it doesn't work. Wow. You can't expect a different document to work with another document without linking them together. They're both separate documents, so it's not going to work. So to do that, you want to go to your index document and you want to type in quite a large tag to link the two documents together to allow the other one to create changes to the other file. So what we're going to do, we're going to type what I type. So we're going to do link IEL rel equals quotations, and then in between the quotations I want you to type style sheet. So style sheet. After that, I want you to do type equals quotations, and between the quotations I want you to type text / CSS. Now on this bit's the most important bit. So on this bit I want you to type href equals quotations, and then type in the name of the file you just created. So style.css. Now if we save this now, control save, because this line here, this will link the two together. So save that. And now I bet it works now because they're linked. Boom, what do you know, it's black. Now, so you can target all these tags in the purple, all of them. So you can even target a div in here. So let's say one of the divs. If you want to target all divs, you can just do divs, like so. Or you want to target all paragraphs, you could do paragraphs. Target all of that. Simple. But there's classes and IDs that I told you about. Now I've already done the classes and IDs in the text, but I'll explain what they do. Now, a class can't be edited the same as a body tag, or a div tag, or an image, or a paragraph tag. No. So, if we get this class tag here, what equals wrapper, if you want to edit this entire div, but only this div, or all the divs that have this class, and then you would use the class code within the CSS document. So to target classes, it's a full stop. So full stop wrapper. So like so. So this will target class wrapper. And now as you can see underneath, there's an ID one as well. So ID equals navbar. So ID is a bit different. It's not a full stop this time. An ID is a hashtag. So it'd be hashtag navbar. Just like that. Now, that's how you would edit them ones. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not going to do anything else in this video. This is pretty much just an introduction to show you pretty much what CSS is. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful to you, and if it was and you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episodes. See you later.